had to stop writing you back. Too young for a fucking attachment. I'm like a biker with swag, zippers on my jacket like I'm Michael Jackson. If you put a knife in my back, yeah, I promise it's gonna be the fucking last one. I make a hit every track, every one I make, I say that I got one.
What's up, everybody? Happy holidays. And today, got an install for you. Got this likewise shift knob. Nice metal and good grip. Nice weight too. And got the adapter. It's a cool orange. I like that. Won't see it though. And we're gonna be installing it on my B8 AUDI A5. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this lower piece where the AC controls are. That way I just have better access to pull the center console out. So go ahead and just get a flathead, try in the very right, very left, and it should just come out like that, and just do a little bit of pulling. It should be good to go. So I got one side, it just pops out really easy, doesn't feel like the clips are too cheap or whatever. Just kind of get something behind there like that, and boom, comes right out. Just like that. I'm gonna just lay that here, and then start getting this. I'm gonna start grabbing it from the inside right here, different angles, and just pulling up on it, because all it is clips. So let me get to that. So I've been going at this for like a good 20 minutes. It's pretty difficult and tough because you don't want to break anything. So don't use any pry tools or nothing like that. Just put your hands on the inside like this. Just pull up different places until you kind of get a lip. Make sure not to crack this part. And I'm still stuck right here. So go ahead and keep trying to pull this and get it off. So once you get this all off, you can go ahead and start unplugging all the connectors. And then there's like a little hose clamp type thing right here, that metal piece right there. You're gonna wanna get something between there to kind of break it loose, and then the shift knob should come right out. So I'm finally almost there, finally got it. So I've been using like needle nose and this flathead to kind of pull it off the bottom of the shift knob itself. You can see it, there you go. There it goes. So now the shift knob should just come right off. So with a little bit of force, came right up, came right off. Alright, so you gotta remove the retaining ring that holds the shift boot. And this is clamped on there, just like this, like right down here. And basically what you gotta do is get a flathead in between that black ring on the outer side of the white. So there's two black rings when it sits on. You gotta get it in between the black ring on the outside and the inside. So let me give you an example. You're gonna want to put your flathead like this and pry out, and then it'll snap and you can take it off. Right? So that's cute. It looks like it's chewed up. You're gonna, where's my snap point? Snapped right there, but it's good. It's just one clean snap. I could glue it back together if I needed to. So now we can just take out our shift knob, old one. So push it through the other way, just like that. Just give it a little pull. It should come right out. Just like that. So, as you can see, this was that little clamp I was trying to get for like half an hour. Totally destroyed, but we're not going to need it with the new shift knob. And if you did need to replace your stock shift knob, you can just use a hose clamp. But yeah, it's pretty tight and tricky, so you kind of just got to finagle it. But it finally came off, so we should be good. Now, with that out of the way, we can go ahead and install the adapter. So here's the adapter, nice orange, and we're gonna go ahead and just put this all the way down, just like that, and then tighten these with the Allen key that they provided. Pretty nice. I wish I could show that part, but it'll be covered. And basically when you wanna tighten these set screws, these tiny ones right here, you wanna do one side and then the other side, this side and the next side, so it all clamps together evenly. Otherwise it'll all clamp together on one side and you can't get the threads on the other one. So now I think we're good to, let's just give it a test fit, shall we? Let me just test fit this right quick. Straight up, bro. Damn, that shit feels so good. That's sick. I can't wait to throw this boot on. All right, let's do it. All right, I went ahead and threw this back on. This fits around pretty nice. Everything's tight. Gotta put this back. Haven't clamped anything down yet, so just make sure you slide it all the way to the back. Kind of feel the way it goes, and then push it all down. So there's 1 click, 2, 3, 4. All right, you guys can count, but basically just click it all the way in until it's all sealed nice. And throw this back in. Should slide right back in. Let's see. Yep. Clicks right back in. Some damn Legos, man. I still gotta get that down, but for the most part, it's in. Just grab your shift knob, throw it on. Sick, bro. Now I gotta figure out something with the boot, man. Honestly, I should have changed it out while I had it out. I might go ahead and do that later, but there you go, man. Dang, that feels crazy, bro. World of difference. I'll let you know how it drives too. Sick, bro. Okay, don't make the same mistake I just made and forget to plug everything back in. Damn it. All right, I gotta go. I've been around for the past 24 hours, and I honestly love it. It's a huge difference, and I would definitely recommend this to anybody trying to change their shift knob. It's a little bit of a hassle compared to like the STIs or whatever. You know, they're already a direct thread on, but you know, with a little bit of finesse, you get the same thing, and you got a pretty cool adapter that you can change whatever shift knob you want now. It's totally worth it. I wish I would have done it earlier, but feels great. My shifts feel a lot smoother, and the only thing is it's kind of cold here because it's winter time, but ice cold when you get in the car at first, and then I know in the summer it's gonna be like burning hot, but definitely recommend it. And shout out to Likewise, bro. I'm super stoked that they made that adapter, and I honestly love this shift knob too. So I got a Crown Royal 75th anniversary like suede edition bag coming in the mail that I'm gonna use for the shift knob. So I'll probably do a mini install on that. I can't wait to see how that looks because it looks kind of skinny right here, and that bag that I ordered kind of flares out right here. So it'll kind of look a lot better and more put together. But as you can see, I'm just using like a little hair tie right now to keep the shift boot up. And other than that, man, yeah, it looks pretty fresh. I love it. I love the way it drives. So those are my impressions of it. You guys let me know what you think. We're probably going to be doing a shift knob install on my girlfriend's A4. It's a 2003, and it looks like it's the same process, but probably easier. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching, man. Appreciate it.